Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to recover Google Slides that were deleted or, how to pull an older version from your edit history in 2026. Losing a presentation can feel super stressful, but Google actually gives you a few solid ways to get everything back. So, yeah, let's walk through it. First, if the entire presentation was deleted, open Google Drive. On the left side, click on Trash. Anything you deleted within the past 30 days should still be there. If you see your slides file, right-click it and choose Restore. It jumps right back to its original folder. Super simple. If you don't see it in the trash, don't panic yet. Sometimes files get moved instead of deleted. Use the search bar at the top and type the exact name of your presentation, or even just a keyword from the title. Check the Owned by Anyone filter too, in case you weren't the owner. Now, if the file exists, but you accidentally messed up the content, maybe deleted slides or overwrote something, you can recover everything through version history. Open the presentation, then go to File and click Version History, and then See Version History. On the right side, you'll see a full timeline of edits organized by date and time. Click through the versions to preview them. Google Slides highlights the changes so you can see what was added or removed. When you find the version you want, click Restore this version. And yeah, you can always go back again if you change your mind. Nothing gets permanently overwritten. If you're working on a shared presentation, you can also check who removed or edited something. Version history shows each person's name and color, which makes it easier to track changes when multiple people are editing at the same time. Now, here's a cool extra trick. If someone deleted the shared folder or moved the file out of it, you can still recover it by checking the Activity panel in Drive. Click the little eye icon at the top right of Drive. You'll see a full activity log with actions like removed, moved, or renamed. From there, you can jump straight to the file and restore it. If everything else fails, and hopefully it won't, you can try Google Drive's support recovery request, but usually trash, search filters, and version history save the day. So yeah, that's the full 2026 guide to recovering deleted Google Slides or restoring older versions using edit history. Whether it was an accidental deletion or a big editing mistake, Google gives you plenty of ways to reverse it. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy